Alright, hello guys. There's this new protein bar available in Costco right now, and it's called Grenade Protein Bar, and it's made by Oreo. This one is about, I think, 32 Canadian dollars for just 14 bars, so it's more than $2 per bar, but it says here it's 21 grams of protein per bar and only 1 gram of sugar. Imagine that. Made by Oreo, but only 1 gram of sugar, and that's per 1 bar, as you see there. 250 calories if you're ever concerned about your calorie intake. So right now what we're going to do is try it out and see if it tastes good. Alright, so let's see. This one actually is worth $2. I mean, 21 grams of protein, 250 calories, 1 gram of sugar, and it tastes like Oreo because it's made by Oreo. Must be worth it. So let's see. Okay. Alright, let's unwrap one. Okay, I'll take a bite. Quick bite. I'm gonna reverse my camera here. Very soft, very chewy. You will taste like Oreo. And compared to the other protein bars, this one is not grainy. It doesn't taste like a cork board. This one is very soft. Yummy. And that's my son right there. Want to taste this? Oreo? Worth it. 21 grams protein, 250 calories per bar. Sure worth the try. Alright. Bye. Very yummy, to be honest. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Very soft. And you might feel guilt-free when you're eating this because, again, it's 21 grams protein and only 1 gram sugar. But of course, the calorie is 250, so it's as if you're already eating like a half a plate of a real meal. But as I've said, tastes good, worth a try. Again, that's the Grenade protein bar made by Oreo.